welcome everyone. Welcome to the first day of class. We are going over lab safety today. I'm going to give you a second to look at these images. These are the texts from Texas Tech in 2010. I want you to write down some ideas on that piece of paper that you have. Today you guys are going to act as investigators from the Chemical Safety Board, and that's a federal agency that investigates chemical incidents to determine their cause. You will use the information gathered by junior investigators as yourself and conduct your own research on this accident, the overall cause, and develop a plan of action that all other academic laboratories can use to avoid similar issues. So you should have case study cards, and you will be using those to read, discuss, and note what led to this incident and what happened after the incident. Do not just immediately after the explosion, but during the subsequent investigation as well. While you're looking at those case study documents, please answer these two questions as a group in a complete sentence. So first, I need you to identify at least two things you noticed before and after the lab. So you should have 4 sentences here. And then 2, you need to write at least 2 questions that occurred in this case study. So what are 2 things that you're wondering about this case study? They do not have to be the same as your partner, so you can have more than 2 questions if need be, but I want at least 2. All right, now we're going to take some time and share out as a group. So in your notebook, you should find an initial student model. So I want you to draw a before the explosion and after the explosion. You can draw a picture, create a timeline for each period, showing what you think happened, and highlight any safety violations that might have occurred. You can pause here so you can do that. So now that you've drawn this photo, I want you to describe what you think happened during each period and what may have caused the accident. So I want to make sure that you write in complete sentences. I'm going to give you 5 to 7 minutes to do this in class, but if you are doing this at home, pause the video here and complete this activity. All right, we'll see you tomorrow.